Okay, then we're going to create a new document in onshape, and first of all we'll call it cube exercise. Now I'm going to call mine exercise 2 because I've already got one. You can just call yours cube exercise. I'm going to create that document. It will take a while just to create that. Okay, and then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a sketch in the top plane. You see the top plane there's gone orange. You can move between the planes. We want the orange one. Click on that, and we're gonna actually draw a box in here. Now I want to go to the top view. It makes it easier, and we're going to sketch a rectangle, and we're going to start the rectangle. So this piece of the origin needs to go orange. Click on that, and we're going to just click and release. Click and release. Now we've got a box, and I want to dimension that. So I go up to the dimension. We can see that the pre-select goes orange. We drag that out, and we're going to make that 50. Press enter. Still in the same command because you can see it's blue. Select, click and let go. Click and let go for 50, and again enter, and that's our first sketch completed. So we can give it a tick. I want to now go to here, so we can see we've drawn on that plane, and that's just a sketch. And I want now that to become 3D. So I click on extrude, and I click into that box there, and you can see it's defaulted to 25, and I want 50 millimeters. I'm happy with that, and I'll accept that. So there we have we have this here. Now I want to draw a cylinder in that box there. So I'm going to go to top again. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line because I want to find the middle of that. I need to do a sketch, and I'm going to do that sketch on that surface there. So I click on that surface, that went orange. So now I've got the line command there. I'm going to click there, and I'm going to click over there. And now I'm going to click on the okay. So if I click on escape now, because I need to select this line and then select, and now you can see that's gone to a dotted line. Okay, we're happy with that. So now I want to draw a circle, and a circle, now when you see the little symbol there, you see that change, that now is on the center of that line, and the center of the diagonal will be there. Now, because I've forgotten to change that back, it's a dotted line. There's no panic. We select it, we go orange. Whoops, escape, I beg your pardon. Right, so we select that. We'll sometimes make mistakes. You see, there's no drama. We can press escape, or we can press Control Z. So, and now we'll make that a solid. And once we've done that, we're also then going to want to dimension that. So, we can see the dimension line. We're going to click on that, drag that out just as we did before, type in 50. Oh, now you can see that's too big. So we'll double click on that, and we'll do 25. Enter. So you can see how easy that is to change. Nice and easy, we've changed that. And now I'm happy with that sketch, and I do that, and then I'll go to the corner, and now I want to extrude this out. So I'll click on there, and I only want to select the circle, not this bit here. So click inside the circle. 25 is the default, and I'm happy with that. So I'll just do accept, next. And you'll notice that construction line doesn't show up. It was just there to construct, so we can't see it. Next, I want to do another one. I'm going to put one of these cylinders on each of these sides. Okay, so I need to, this is getting into the habit, so we know that we do a sketch first. We select that face there, Okay, and then we're going to see I turned it around. I'm going to go to line again, select that there, and the other corner, it snaps to the corner for me. I can press escape to stop that line command. Then I'm going to turn that line orange, and I'm going to make it a construction line. Then I'm going to go to, I'm actually going to turn the construction line off this time. So I've gone to circle, and then on the circle, when the snap symbol changes to the dash dot dash, click, and we can go like that. We're happy with that. We're going to dimension that, and you'll notice when it's not dimensioned, it's blue, and that means it's undefined. We ideally want it to be black, so we click on that there, and we type in 25, enter, and we're happy with that as a sketch. So we'll go like that. I'm going to extrude that. It's exactly the same process as before. Click on there. 25 is what we want. We could change that if we wanted to by changing this number here, but we're happy with 25. Do OK. Now we're going to select this face for another sketch. So we select, and we select, that goes orange, and that's on the left face there. And we're going to draw another line there. And this time I've selected the line and I've selected the construction. So it should, there we go, you see, you can do this either way around. You can draw it and then change it. We'll change it like that. So we've done that. We're happy with that line. We'll press escape. Now we'll do a circle. Okay, and again, get the middle, click, and click. And you see this time it's automatically turned off the construction line, which is nice. I'm going to go up to dimension this. 25, enter. That's the end of that sketch. We'll go like that. We're going to extrude again. Select the 25. We can press enter. Another sketch. And you can see all these sketches going down the side here as we do them. So we're going to do another sketch. We're going to click on this side here. You can see it's the back plane, so we click on there. We want a line, and we're going to make it a construction line from this corner to this corner. Then we're going to do a circle in the middle. And this time it's not changed, so there's no dramas. We can just select that line. Oops, escape from that if that happens sometimes. Just don't panic, we can press escape. We can toggle that, we call that toggling, switch it over to a line. Now we've done that, we can dimension that line, that circle. Click. 25, enter. We're happy with that as our sketch. We're going to extrude that. 25 again, we'll accept that. Next, we'll do another sketch. We're going to put it on the bottom, and to go to bottom to make it easier. Same thing again. Line, construction line, from there down to there. Notice this line whittles along here, but as soon as we go on the bar, it stops moving, and when we select something else, it will disappear. We'll turn off the construction line. So now it's constructed a circle for us. $25. Enter. We'll finish the sketch. We'll make it three-dimensional again. We'll extrude that sketch 25 and we'll accept that. Now if we hold down the right mouse button, we can rotate by then moving the mouse to show us the side that we haven't yet done. And you can see that as this moves, can you see the view cube moves as well in the corner? This is also moving. So we know that this is the right face. We've got that little label there for us. We're going to create a sketch in there. And to help us, we'll go right forward. We'll do exactly the same thing again. So we're getting to practice this sequence. We create a new sketch, okay? We've done that. We're going to go to circle. We're going to turn off the construction line, put it in the middle, step it out. It's blue, so we need to constrain it. 25. Enter. That's our sketch done. Whoops, there we go. We're now going to extrude that. Select the orange, 25, it's selected for us. We'll do tick, and that is our that's our cube finished. Okay, and I'll come back in a minute and I'll show you. We're going to put some chamfers and some fillets on that. So we'll finish that there now. Thank you.